Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move today. Not only did the price gap up, which you can see there, but after the gap up, the bulls just kept on chugging along and pushing the price upwards. So definitely a very solid day from the bullish perspective. So let's map out some areas of support. Then we can talk about areas of resistance. The ideal area of support going forward, I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? That would be right there at 39 cents. You can see the bears have already tried to push down through there several times, but to give full credit where it's due, the bulls have done a good job of holding strong. Now, if the price does drop below there, by no means am I sitting here saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can continue to hold above 39 cents, that would be, the best outcome going forward. Next level of support after 39, call down there at 37. So 39, 37, more so the shorter term areas of support. And then taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, really all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving, so as time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move upwards like that. And if you want to picture that as a trend line, that is very logical. And from a very just black and white way to look at this, as far as, the health of the current move, as long as the price stays above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upward move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? First level of resistance, and if you're watching level 2 today, I'm sure this is no shock for me to say 41 cents. You can see on 3 separate occasions, there, and there, the bulls did try to fight through, and that's the level where the current kind of stubbornness is. We may have to go to another time frame here. I realize it's getting hard to see, but that's a good problem to have. Oh, here we have, oh, that's nice. So we have these resistance levels from some other time I did this chart. I have no idea when, and yeah, these definitely still are in play. So after 41, 44 cents, and then 46 cents would be the next couple areas of resistance. All in all, though, at the end of the day, as long as the price just starts putting in higher bases, building higher lows, then the long-term chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.